The Yarning Circle is a space that we've developed through the Caucus Not Caucus to be able to come together as a group, to be able to hang out and have a yarn, but also to be able to bring in some cultural aspects of the workplace. But we also want it to be used as a teaching space and a space for anybody else in the organisation to get together and have a chat and feel safe and feel comfy and experience some Aboriginal ways of being, really. The Yarning Circle was funded through the Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Indigenous Strategy Services, and through the One City Many People program. And we got an opportunity to apply for a grant, which they funded, and they've actually funded for us now 4 times. We've been extremely lucky. We were also supported quite heavily by Associate Professor Rick McCaw, who sponsored our project. And we applied, there's 4 streams in actual fact. And our Yarning Circle ticks all of those boxes. And so we were very lucky to get that funding, and we're really happy to be able to provide a space at the UCRH for everyone to use.
I think everyone's favourite part of the project is the creative process and coming together as a group and working out how we can best use that funding to support a project of something that is meaningful to all of us at the UCRH. And the idea that we came up with was a yarning circle, which is not only a learning and teaching space for the organisation, but it's also a quite safe space for people just to use in their lunch hour or, little meetings that they might want to have themselves, just to be outside in the fresh air. And we also wanted to create an idea by sitting within the natural landscape of what we already have at the University Centre for Rural Health and immersing the yarning circle within that. So by still using natural sandstone from the area and also timbers for seating and the dirt beneath your feet as well. So we wanted to keep it really natural.
It's really nice to have the yarning circle for all staff in the University Centre for Rural Health, as well as the students that visit us here as part of their learning. It creates an opportunity for us to get together and share our different perspectives for our non-Indigenous allies to better understand of how they can support our unique ways of knowing, being and doing. It's really important for students to have an experience to understand about Aboriginal health in an outdoor setting, yarning with Aboriginal staff here.
What I would like to see is that people feel comfortable to have lunch down there, that there's, staff meetings down there, that we teach the students, particularly Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander health-related content. There's a good space. You can fit actually up to about 20 people in that space. We want to be able to have cultural events down there, so have smokings for the organisation, but also for us as a caucus, to be able to come together and sort of clear the air and have conversations in a way that we feel comfortable with.
Myself, as a Bunjalung woman, I have grown up not knowing much about my culture, and coming into the UCRH, it's really opened my eyes to my culture and to have a space dedicated to my people and my culture, to be able to learn and ask questions without judgment with my Aboriginal staff. It's really a wonderful experience, and it's going to make a huge difference here at the UCRH to bring down students and have a safe place for them to ask questions about culture like I have.
The idea of having a circle embedded in how we approach our work in the UCRH is to promote that collectivity. It's also a better mechanism for people to connect into different people's ideas and different people's worldviews and frames of reference. It also encourages really lovely surface level and deeper cultural level sharing of ideas and culture and understandings, and it promotes a coming together.